CapCut recently launched an incredible new AI video maker that lets you easily create videos up to 10 minutes long. Whether you want to create faceless AI content or start a brand new YouTube channel, now is the perfect time to dive in. And the best part? You don't need to put in much effort because the tool simplifies everything for you. In this video, I'll show you what I created using this tool and guide you step by step on how you can do the same.
Video opens with quick, mouth-watering shots of different crab dishes, steamed crab legs, crab cakes, chili crab, etc. What if I told you the best tasting crab in the world isn't the one you think it is? Forget everything you know, because today we're cracking open the ultimate crab ranking. We're counting down the top 5 most delicious crabs on the planet, and trust me, number 1 is going to shock you. Let's dive in. Coming in at number 5, we have the mighty Dungeness crab from the cold waters of the Pacific Northwest.
But first, make sure to download the CapCut app. If you're on a desktop, just use the link in the description below. It's free and packed with all the powerful features you'll need. After downloading, you can easily find the AI Video Maker within the app. Let me show you the video I made with it. The best part? It only took me a few minutes to put it all together. For instance, imagine you run a channel all about delicious crabs. This tool is perfect for creating videos like that. The best part is, you can use it for any type of channel you want, and you'll be taken to the tool's main interface. You'll notice the welcome screen for the all-in-one AI Video Maker. If you ever want to start a new project, you can find the option right there. In this section, you'll see various AI options. For example, Brainstorm with AI helps you generate ideas, find useful information, and even instantly create scripts. There's also avatar video and tools like match media to script an object. Don't worry if it looks a bit confusing at first. Everything you need is in one place, so it's really easy to use. Below that, you'll find AI templates, which are great for creating short creative content like Reels, TikToks, or YouTube Shorts. I'll show you how to use these templates later. But now, let's go back to the example I showed earlier, and I'll demonstrate how I created that delicious crab video. And the best part? You can also create longer videos up to 10 minutes long, all for free and with very little effort. Once you start a new project, you'll be brought to a screen where step 1 is to create your script. The screen may look a bit plain, but that's intentional because the goal is to keep it simple. At this point, you have two options: paste in a script you've already written or create a new one directly inside CapCut. This is helpful because you don't need to use external tools like ChatGPT. Everything can be done right here. When you click Create Script, you'll see options like topic, key points, duration, writing style, and other requirements. Just fill these out, and the AI will instantly generate a script for you. For my example, I want to create a video about delicious crabs. In the topic section, I'll type Top 5 Most Delicious Crabs Revealed. To keep it clear and organized, you can add key points, links, or even reference websites and research papers. If you already have a script, you can paste it in. I made an engaging video introducing crabs, ranking them by deliciousness and including some popular species and their habitats. You can choose the video duration, 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or even 10 minutes. CapCut can generate a full 10-minute script with just a few points, which is amazing because other tools might only generate a few hundred words, and the timing won't feel right. Here, the AI handles it perfectly. I'm selecting 3 minutes for this tutorial since I don't have time to show a full 10-minute video. There's also a writing style option, which is useful if you have a YouTube channel and want the new script to match your previous ones. You can upload an old script, and CapCut will automatically match the writing style. Once you've filled out the details, click Create, and within about 30 seconds, your script will be ready. If you want to make changes, you can easily adjust or regenerate it at any time. If you're happy with the script, you can move on to the next step: setting up the scenes. Click on Scenes to choose from various avatars that will read your entire script. There are over 100 avatars to choose from, including news presenters and even older figures. But for now, I'll skip the avatar and move straight to selecting a voiceover. There are over 100 voices available, so just choose the one that sounds best for your project. Once you've found the perfect voice, apply it to all scenes. The AI will automatically split the script into shorter sentences for smoother voiceover delivery. Next, you'll choose Media. You have 3 options: AI-generated media, where the tool creates visuals based on your script; Match Your Own Media, where the tool scans your existing clips and photos; and my favorite, Stock Media, where the AI searches its huge stock library for the best visuals based on your script. For now, I'll go with stock media because I prefer real clips filmed by people. Once everything's in place, you can preview your video and make adjustments. If you're happy with it, you can export your video and share it anywhere. Whether you want to tweak the script, change the voiceover, or even update the visuals, CapCut offers full control while doing all the hard work for you.
Video opens with quick, mouth-watering shots of different crab dishes, steamed crab legs, crab cakes, chili crab, etc. What if I told you the best tasting crab in the world isn't the one you think it is? Forget everything you know, because today we're cracking open the ultimate crab ranking. We're counting down the top 5 most delicious crabs on the planet. And trust me, number 1 is going to shock you. Let's dive in. Coming in at number 5, we have the mighty Dungeness crab from the cold waters of the Pacific Northwest. These guys are meaty, with a uniquely sweet and delicate flavor that's never too overpowering. They're perfect for a classic crab boil, or just steamed with a side of melted butter. Simple, classic, and absolutely delicious. At number 4, it's the blue crab. Famous along the Atlantic coast, especially in Chesapeake Bay, these crabs are a true delicacy. Their meat is rich, buttery, and has a slight salty temps from their brackish water homes. Whether they're in a crab cake or steamed with Old Bay seasoning, blue crabs are an East Coast treasure for a reason. Now for our number 3 spot, the snow crab, found in the frigid depths of the North Atlantic and North Pacific. These long-legged beauties are a fan favorite. Their meat is sweet with a subtle, briny flavor and a fibrous, snowy white texture. Snapping into those legs is one of the most satisfying food experiences you can have. Okay, brace yourselves for our runner-up. At number 2, we have the legendary king crab. These giants from the icy waters of Alaska are the royalty of the crab world. Their leg meat is incredibly thick, succulent, and packed with a rich, sweet flavor that's unmatched by most. It's a luxurious treat that's worth every single penny. You feel like royalty just eating it? And now, the moment you've been waiting for? The number 1 most delicious crab in the world is the stone crab, specifically the Florida stone crab. Here's the crazy part. Only the claws are harvested, and the crab is returned to the water to regrow them, making it a sustainable choice. The claw meat is firm, dense, and has a sweet, clean flavor that's unlike any other. It's so good, it's often served chilled with a simple mustard sauce to let its natural taste shine. It's the perfect combination of incredible flavor and smart harvesting. So, did your favorite make the list? Let me know in the comments what your go-to crab is. Thanks for watching, and if you love all things food, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious countdowns. See you in the next video.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. See you in the next video.